all the picture and all the video you want to take because I cannot save you.
Blessings everyone, welcome back to Elite Jamaica. How y'all doing? Hope y'all having an exceptional day. Now, the story is making today's video. We see where a justice of the peace was pulled over by the police for a traffic violation. While the police was in possession of his driver's license, he began to behave boisterous. He began to demand his driver's license from the police. Personally, and this is just my opinion, I really think this JP was intoxicated or he had something to hide. Because this is not the behavior I'm expecting from a justice of the peace, someone who should be an upstanding member of society. And these are the things that happen when it touch night. You know, my grandmother always say, no, if night could turn to day. A lot of these persons in society who should be the persons who uphold the law and a set example, they are the persons who are behind doors doing all of the illegal stuff, who now want to abide by authority and want to abuse them power. Guys, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you think he was intoxicated or if it was abuse of power. All of that and more coming up right after you give the video a big thumbs up.
Take all the picture and all the video you want to take because I cannot save you. Let me know. Indian, I am coming to Matildas corner for my license tomorrow morning. You see how long I take a spread bed panning and I job? You should have known I stop me for. You should have listen to me. You don't need to video it, you know. You don't need to video it. Come here, call Bobby out upon you right now. You don't need to video it. I'm telling you. So you could I have my license, please?
Sir, don't.
You have my license?
Don't touch me.
I am waiting too long for my license. I am waiting too long for my license now. So you're going to give me a license, let me leave. Indian, I'm expecting a police stop me. He said I'm charging. He knows my license and my information. I need it.
Excuse, man.
He's a police. He's a sergeant of police. Lewis. So you don't talk to him like you don't know him.
Excuse me, sir. Stop us coming from my work.
There's two police right here. There are two police right there. And I'm a justice of the peace. And I'm telling you, I'm a justice of the peace. I'm a justice of the peace. So you playing games with me now.
May I obstruct you?
You're playing games with me now. You can make all the video you want to video. But I'm going to deal with it. You're getting me very irritated. Who am I about the trail? I'm going to deal with you and him. You are getting out of Kingston because you have no customer service. You need to be in Montego Bay, make man shoot you. And that's where you need to be. No, I am getting mad. And he don't even... I'm not giving it away. But listen, he knows his job. He shouldn't take that long time to write me a ticket. Cause you laugh. You know something? You have some people that will go unheard and some will go heard. Well, I'm one. You see. Listen, man. No, you don't need to talk to him anymore. You don't need to talk to him anymore.
I don't want to tell me something. Stop obstructing.
Why? You don't need to talk to him now because you see where I come from now. I come from now. We're good. So you don't know nothing good. Sure. He's going to regret this moment. I don't care about the ticket because I'm paid that. Because you take 10 days to work $5,000. We work in a 2 seconds. Wait here.
You're going to sign for the ticket, mister?
Just give me my ticket and let me go.
Okay, sir.
I don't want to talk to you anymore. Because you don't know what you're doing. Just give me my license. Don't send it to me.
Before we move to the next story, I just want to let you all know that I created a WhatsApp group, and that's for videos that are not allowed on YouTube. Sometimes I create a video and then the video clip, it can't be included in such a video on YouTube because of community guidelines. So I created this WhatsApp group where I can upload these videos so y'all can see those. If you want to be a part of this group, the number will be on screen. You just WhatsApp me, give me a name, let me know that you want to be a part of the group, and you'll be added. So guys, we see where some parts of the country are still underwater, some places are still flooded. We see where Unity Hall main road, that's in Montego Bay, St. James, we see where that is flooded and the road surface has completely been destroyed. Residents aren't able to travel because the roads are impassable. Now this we can't call upon government or MP, this is going to take a community effort. This is something we have to reverse because obviously something is being done wrong. Why this keep on happening? So I need to check the road them want make, or the land them want now, the tree them want cut down to build house or stuff like that. You know, this could be caused from erosion. If you're from this part of the parish or this part of the country, please let me know about this situation. If this is something that has just happened, or if it's something will happen regularly. Until then, stay blessed.
Alright colleagues, this is Guava Walk, Unity Hall. Alright, this is the condition of the road. The surface at the entrance here, totally lifted up. Everything is rooted up to, and this is what it has done to the main road. Let me show you what is happening here. This is a bus. This is a Toyota Coaster bus. This is the condition of the road right here. Alright, that's it. This is a coaster. It's stuck. Look at the road. Look at the debris. That car stuck. This is the condition. This road is totally impossible at this time. Heavy equipment is needed to clear the road. So there's absolutely no way to pass this way right now unless we get heavy equipment here. Four-wheel drive units will be able to pass over the debris, but regular vehicles can't pass this way. Right now, traffic cannot pass between Hopewell and Reading. So the alternate route here would be to go through either New Mills, Hopewell, Old Pen, Chigwell, Chichester, come back down, or Hopewell, Welcome, Cops, Leety, coming back down. That's the only alternate route here. This section is impossible for some persons.